Wakey, wakey, sleepyhead. Grab your phone, get out of bed. It's time for Ashmonday Rambles.
Good morning, monsters. Hey, you want to see something cute depending on your philosophy of cute? Well, here you go. Tarsiers. And eyes. Wait, that's not an eye. That's my ex-boyfriend, Peter. Common mistake. Sorry, Peter. Eyes. Well, this week we're going to be looking at animal evolution. And all of these things are amazing and kind of cute. You know what else is cute? Border Collies. To the Pooch Report.
I love poo even more than chewing shoes. On my list of things to do, it's a big fat number 2. I love poo.
Wow. Thanks, Meg. Awesome. So, what are primates? We have some clues that we can give you to see if you can identify something as a primate. Clue number 1. Primates are mammals. They're vertebrates. They have mammary glands and nurse their young. We're primates. So clue number 1 is that they have all of these things. All primates are mammals, but not all mammals are primates. It gets a little confusing, so let's go through some more clues. Clue number 2. Fingers, toes, and shoulders. Primates have these things. They tend to have large fingers, long fingers with nails instead of claws. They tend to have really strong shoulders and arms for grasping and climbing. And these shoulder joints right here that we can move around, they're attached to the clavicle, which is this part of our body right here. So clue number 2 that something is a primate is that they have fingers, toes, and shoulders. Clue number 3. Have you ever seen that video of the cat jumping and it misses what it's going for and it just is like, Superman cat? Yes. Well, mammals and primates have what we call binocular vision. It means both of our eyes are in the front of our head, which is really important for seeing the world in 3D and testing distances. Horses, on the other hand, have what we call monocular vision. Horses, you can put your hand right on their forehead and their eyes are on either side of their head. So primates have binocular vision. And the last clue for identifying a primate is a well-developed cerebrum. So the cerebrum is an aspect of your brain. So primates tend to have a really well-developed social set. They create families. They are ingenious. They create things and create societies. It's really outstanding. And they tend to be altruistic, which means that they are kind to others, even though there might not be a benefit for them. So they have a very strong and well-developed cerebrum. That's clue number 4. So the world is full of a lot of just beautiful and amazing animals. Many of them are primates, but many of them are not. Some of them share some of the traits of primates, but they're not primates. For example, crows are very, very intelligent. They teach their young how to do certain tasks, and they create complex family groups, but they're not primates. Dogs and cats have binocular vision just like we do, but also not primates. When we're thinking about primates, we need to look at 3 major groups: the lemurs and lorises, the tarsiers, and the anthropoids. So anthropoids are monkeys, apes, and we fall into that ape group. So pretty fascinating stuff. So advanced animal science, now it's on to you. So this week, you guys are going to be looking at the tragedy of the commons. It's a really short video, but it's a really complex idea. You're probably going to hear about it again and again, and you'll hear about it even when you go off to college. It's a really complex world idea. So I think that you're really going to enjoy that. I also just wanted to take a minute to say, hey, my seniors in advanced animal science and Caitlin in my other class, I love you. Have a wonderful, wonderful summer vacation and go do great in the world. See you later. The rest of you lot, you have work to do. We have one more week to go, so hang in there. And until then, stay safe, stay professional.
The worst thing about it was, I couldn't sit down for 3 days afterwards. Oh. Oh. Hello, Mortimer Braithwaite here. Very well done on making it all the way to the end of the video. Good job. And as always, there's a bit of a treat. I do happen to have a joke for you. And with all of this talk about primates, I thought I would come up with a little monkey joke for you. This is exactly what I have. Here we go. Now, what kind of a key opens a banana? A monkey. As I say that, I do realise I possibly spoilt the punchline in the build-up there. Probably not the first time, eh? Never mind. I have another one for you up my sleeve. Hope you'll like this one. What is a brown and hairy and floats? A hot air baboon. Oh, again, that does present quite an image, doesn't it? And reminds me of another joke that I know. What is invisible and smells of bananas? A monkey fart. Ooh, and as I say that, it does occur to me I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say the word fart. Ooh, I might have just said it again. Anyway, it's been lovely, as always. Please don't tell Miss Ashman. And hopefully I'll see you again for the last time next week. Jolly good, very well done. Thank you.